Happy holidays, Bobby W6IWN here. It's that time of year, Amazon Prime deals, and boy, have I found you some really great deals. First off, let's start off with this Flashforge printer. I actually have this model myself, and I wish I would have waited until now because I think when I got mine, it was on some super sale for $299. Now it's on for $229. I think that's cheaper than I paid for the ink for my photo printer back in the day. So this is a really good deal. If you're looking to get started in 3D printing, yeah, this is a really great deal. I have this printer myself. It was super easy to put together and to get started for the 3D printing for the first time. So I do highly recommend this. This is a stellar deal. There's also going to be a bunch of different deals on filament and stuff right now. So if you're looking to get started in 3D printing, I do recommend this Flashforge Adventure 5M. This is a really great deal, and I speak because I've had one since about last March, it looks like, and I've had a lot of fun with it. All right, next, let's go with the Xiegu G90 coming in at $399. That's a really great deal for an HF radio. That's 20 watts with a built-in tuner. I have one of these myself. I've had a ton of fun with it. I've gotten snow in it. I've gotten sand in it. I've gotten water. I'm actually surprised this thing still goes all the places. I've stuck it in my backpack to take it. I've probably done about 100 summits on the air with it, probably 100 or over POTAs with it. I've had a ton of fun. I've loaded up slinkies. I've put wires up kites. I've done a lot of things I wouldn't do with other radios that I have done with this. So the Xiegu G90 is a great deal coming in at $399. They also have the Xiegu X6100. If you're looking for more bells and whistles, a larger screen, this one is a true QRP radio though. This is maxed out at 10 watts, but it also has the built-in tuner. So this is a really nice QRP radio for $479. I don't think you can beat that. These are a very super hot item right now. And actually, this is my favorite Baofeng to date so far, is the UV5 Mini. Just the aesthetics of it, how the menus, how everything works. It's got the USB-C charging. You can program it from your phone. So for the price, for 35 bucks for a 2-pack of these, they also come in yellow. They come in the green. They come in the black. They come with, it looks like they come with 2 antennas too. Oh, it looks like they come with a bigger set of antennas, the regular antennas, the clips, the batteries. Ooh, Secret Service earpieces. So yeah, for about $17.50 for one of those, if you get a 2-pack for 35, that's not a bad deal at all for 2 HTs for sure. All right. Watt cycle LiPo batteries. I have one of these. I have the 50 amp hour. I use it all the time for POTA. It's actually sitting out on my desk by the front door, ready to go right now, fully charged. So 155 bucks for 100 amp hour. That's a really great deal. These batteries used to be like $500 to $700 for a 100 amp hour battery. Now to get one for $155, that is a really good deal. They have a bunch of other deals going, like if you wanted their Bluetooth version, they got that one for 167 bucks. So this one has like a built-in stent, so you can monitor it from your phone. There's an app. You can do that with any battery, but you got to buy an extra accessory for like 70 bucks. So they're offering that for like $12 more built into the battery. So that is a great deal. Watt cycle has some great batteries. I use them myself all the time. I don't think you could beat 100 amp hour for 155 bucks for the non-Bluetooth version. That is a really great deal. So here's another item I use all the time is the Dokyo 150 watt solar panel. Actually, I have the 110 watt, and I paid, I want to say like 80 bucks maybe when I bought mine. Now it's down to 55 for the 100 watt or the 110 watt. The 160 watt is only $76.49. The cool thing about this solar panel is foldable. It comes with the solar charge controller and all the different connectors. It doesn't have an Anderson power pole, but it will connect to all your other power bank devices for camping and that type of stuff. But I use it to maintain my radio all the time. One thing I have to do, be upfront with you, the charge controller on this, if you do have it too close to your radio, it can be noisy. So if I do have it spread out, I don't have any problem with it. But if it's close to my radio, it can be noisy. But I mean, for 76 bucks for everything included, that's a pretty darn good deal if you ask me, even if you're going for the small one for 55. So I use that all the time. I have it in my car. I might need to take it out now that winter is pretty much around the corner. But yeah, it has been in there all summer and I use it all the time. So that's a great deal as well. All right, if you haven't gone down this rabbit hole yet, I highly suggest it, and it is a rabbit hole, is the Raspberry Pi 5. This is a hobby all within itself, and it goes with a ton of other hobbies along with ham radio. So I've got one out I'm using for a media server. I was using it for APRS and all kinds of other things for ham radio. I've also got a Raspberry Pi 4 that I've built into my ham box. It's like a Go box and does all the digital modes. You can use them for a ton of different things with ham radio. It's a lot of fun. If you don't know about them, it's a computer about the size of a credit card, and it can do a lot of stuff, and it's a lot of fun. So the whole kit, I got this one about a year ago, last November. I want to say I paid over $200, I think, when I got mine. Now it's $135.99. So that's a great deal. It comes with the board, it comes with the heat sinks, the power supply, a case, the fan for the case, the connectors to go to HDMI, to the mini HDMI they have on the ports on there, SD card reader, and it looks like it comes with 128 gigabyte SD card to get you going. And this is for the 8 gigabyte version. They also have the 4 gigabyte version for 127, but I would highly recommend just upgrading to the 8 gigabyte for a few more dollars. But yeah, these are some really good deals that Amazon Prime has going on right now. So happy holidays, and I hope you find your deal out there, and we'll catch you on the next one. 7-3.